Hello everybody, how are you? I think your all is great. So now I will take a couple of trades. You can see this is a minor downtrend and major also downtrend. So here is a doji. We can clearly see a doji. So if it break to the upside, if this doji is break to the upside, I definitely take with I go with sellers here because of this the downtrends and also minor downtrends. So we can trust seller right now, and you can see there is a common point of predictions, and also you can count as a common point of predictions. Let's see, this common point of prediction is valid first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and now it's gonna touch sixth time, so it's valid. Let's see. Okay, I will sell. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, look at my entry points. Okay, let's do more. Let's see what is happening inside of this. I expected rejections. I expected rejection because of this is a common point of resistance and it's also downtrend. So it's gonna reject from the last seconds. Let's wait and see. But if you see here, the majority, the minor is trend is right now is uptrend. Yes, this is, you can count as a major trend, and you can count this one as a minor trend. But we know that this trend is not very strong trend and it's not sustained some long times. It's gonna be rejected somewhere here. So that's the reasons I play the trade with the sellers, and I believe that market gonna reject it at least from this level. When market reaches this level, sellers will enter immediately, and it's going to something like that. It's make this depress demand or supply and go down. So this was the first region. Now see, this realize okay, I said as a phrase demand, a phrase demand. Okay, we can count this one as a rejection point. Oh my god, we missed the entry. We miss our entry. If you place your trade in here, it should be winning trade. So this, since this is a risky trade, oh my god, look at my entry. That's the reasons I place with lower amount. If market touch this area, now I can go with the double amount. Okay. If market close inside of this demand area, next candle will be go off sure. I will buy from this level if market close exactly here. Okay, one is a losing trade and two is winning trade. Since this is a gap up, so that's the reasons I wouldn't like to take this trade. Let's see another chart. Uh, this trade is Superman. This trade is super because of this is a red green pattern and it has the trade line, so you can count this one and you can place the trade with buyers, and it was a winning trade. This is a doji break. If this is a uptrend, okay. Um, for the next candle, I will go with the buyers. Come on, go down, man. Come on. What the hell? Yes. Okay. I will go with the buyers, but I need a safety margin. Let's go. You see, this is the ABC. Did you see the ABC? It would be nice trade if it's break this ABC. Then definitely I would like to place the trade with the buyers with higher amount because this is the trend lines and it's also break the ABC. So a next candle will be green candle, and it is a uptrend market. So everything is with us. What is going on, man? Okay. For the next candle, I will go with the buyers. Okay, let's see. Okay, I place with the buyers, but my trade is too much up, so I will place the two trade in the here. Okay, let's go. Let's see. If I lose this trade, I will going mad, man. Because this is a nice trade, you see. This is a nice trade. It's break the ABC to the downside, and it also break the trend lines. The gap up is starting. There is a round number, and also you can see this is a phrase demand area. This is a phrase demand. So buyer will be triggered at these candles, but I don't know why sellers are so strong. Wow, it's rejected. Let's go. Come on, man. Come on. I know you go up. You should go up. Go, man. Hmm. Okay, no problem. Sometimes you may lose couple of trades. Don't worry. Okay, this is a red green pattern gap up. I will place with, oh my god, major uptrend, minor downtrends. That's good. And also you can count this one as a doji, but it's not a proper doji, but it's countable. Yes, it's countable. And also you can count as a third time breakout, third touch breakout, first touch, second touch, third touch breakout, and then boom. This doji breakout setup is not valid because it is a downtrend. So if you take this one, you see, I mark everything for you. If you count this doji breakout setup, you see this is a clearly losing trade because of this is not a ranging market and it's also a downtrend. So if you count, if it break to the upside, I definitely count this one and I will sell for the next candle. Okay, TD losing trade. The fucking TDs, man. Okay, no problem. Still, we have in profit. We have a profit, yeah. Okay, gap up. Let's go sell here. Okay, let's see. I placed 4 trade in here, but let's see. You can combine this one, this phrase supply area. If I lose this one, really, I will stop my trade journey right now. I didn't see any lower time frame entry. Yeah, go up, man. Come on. Okay, okay, okay. Profit, man. Come on, let's go. This was awesome, man. This was awesome. Okay. go down. Come on, man. Only I enter it market coming this level. What the hell? You see there is a gap up, so this gap up make me a little bit nervous because of it can be green red candles. I know that it could be red candles, so that's the reasons I place with a safety margins and safest entry. If this candle make a red candles, I will be still profit. So let me clear why I play this trade. You can see this this is a, what the hell is going on? Was previously it was a downtrend, yes? Downtrend. You can count as a minor trend, major trend down. And minor trend is uptrend. Minor trend is uptrend. Yeah. So it's break the doji to the downside. This is a doji. And it's break the doji to the downside with a small and big candles. Okay. It's close exactly on the rejection point. This one. Okay. This supply it's close on this label. So next candle will be green candle. Next candle will be green candle, but here's has a gap up. So therefore, I place the entry with the safety margin in this area. When market reaches this area, I place my entry with the uh, multiple trade. I place the multiple trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trade, and everything is winning trade. So thank you for watching this video. Sometimes you may lose a couple of trades and sometimes you will own. So not be frustrated and don't take in a random trade. If you lose, just find out the setup another one and take a multiple trade if you full confidence. Okay, take care. Tada.